So the weather is finally starting to cool down around here. And we're finally starting to get some rain. It rained last night. So my goal for today is to come out here this morning to see if I can catch something right after the rain while it's still cold out. So typically it's kind of hard to catch something in the cold weather. I don't know. I'm going to see if maybe the rain... I don't know what the hell I'm saying. I'm still half asleep. Yeah, I'm just going to try to catch a damn fish right now. It's cold. It's rainy. I'm half asleep. And I'm going to try to catch something. Water down there is very clear. Look at this. There's a rod right here, stuck in the ground. Well, let's see if this person caught something on half a rod. Nope. But that is not a typical bait hook that you would throw for. It's actually a barbless hook, which is interesting. Doesn't look like there was ever a barb on it, like it came that way. But this is actually one from like one of those Berkeley Storm power swim bait things. That comes pre-rigged, pre-hooked. This is what it looks like on the inside. That's what this is from. It's interesting that there's no barb on it. I'm pretty sure those have barbs, but this hook is barbless. I'm actually going to cut it off and throw all their line in the trash. I mean, there's no bait left on it or anything. Everything's wet, so it's hard to get up and down without slipping and falling. That scared the crap out of me. It's fall. I should not have to be worried about snakes right now. Got him. Little one now. Oh, he's stuck. Okay, let's see. What is it? Little bass. Fat bass. As short as this thing is, he's fat. Okay, so this kind of answers my question. I was here a couple of weeks ago, my last video actually. I think it was my last video, one of the last couple of videos. And I walked out to the middle of this pond. It was drained so far down. And yeah, now it's back up pretty full. So my question was whether or not it was the drought or if they drained it intentionally. And we didn't get enough rain to fill it back up, so it was definitely drained intentionally and then refilled. Oh, please stay on. Yeah, I think I hooked set the hook in him. Where's he at? Oh, that's a nice one. Did not fight very hard. And yeah, I hope my camera is on. Alright. That was weird. This is a nice fish, but it barely fought. Barely fought. Like, I thought it was going to be a little tiny one. Try to get a little clip for Instagram, see if my phone's even working. I can't see my screen. Come on. I don't want to watch a reel, I want to post one. What is wrong with Instagram? Got a decent looking little 1-pounder here.